why are you talking about everyone? Okay, now I'm going to learn this language. Can you help me? I'm going to learn this language. It's not going to help you, believe me. Start your work from yourself. Okay. In a small town, there lived a boy named Rohan. He was intelligent, hardworking, and had big dreams. However, he had one big habit that often got him into the trouble. He talked too much about his plan. Whenever he learned something new, he could not keep it to himself. He would announce his plans to everyone, whether it was about his study, his ambition, or even personal goals. Rohan believed that sharing his plans would motivate him, and he loved others' attention, praise. Okay, so his family felt proud of his ambition, and his teacher often encouraged him. But despite his big talks, Rohan struggled to achieve his goal. One day, he met an old wise man named Guruji in the town's temple. Guruji had seen Rohan many times talking about his future always. That day, Guruji called him and said, "Son, you always talk about your dreams, but have you achieved them yet?" Rohan hesitated. He had set many goals, but had accomplished a very little. He replied, "Guruji, I try my best, but things don't go as my plans." Guruji smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story that will help you understand why." Long ago, in a village, there was a farmer named Dev. He was poor but very hardworking. Dev had a dream to own a large farm filled with crops. Every day he worked tirelessly, saving every penny. However, he had one rule: he never spoke about his plans to everyone. People in the village often asked, "Dev, what do you work so hard?" But he would just smile and said, "You will see when the time is right." Years passed, and slowly they bought a small piece of land. He planted crops, expanded his crops, and built a beautiful house. The villagers were shocked how he had achieved so much without ever boasting. One day, an old friend of theirs visited him and asked, "Why did not you tell anyone about your plans?" Dev replied and smiled. "When you talk too much about your goals, your dreams, two things happens. First, people discourage you, and second, your energy is wasted in talking instead of working. Silence protects your goal. Words like arrow, one shot, they cannot return. I chose to let my success speak." Hearing the story, Rohan was deep in thought. Guruji continued, "Son, when you speak too much about your goals, two things happens. First, people may discourage you. Not everyone will be happy for your success. Second, the excitement you received, you know, fades away after some time because your mind believes you have already achieved something." Okay? Rohan now understood why his plan never worked. He was spending too much energy on talking instead of working. He asked, Guruji, can I still change myself? Guruji smiled and said, Of course. From today, speak less and act more. Let your success make the noise, not your words. Remember, silence is powerful. From that day, Rohan changed his way. He stopped discussing his discussion to everyone. Instead, he focused on taking action. He studied harder, worked towards his dreams, and avoided unnecessary discussion. As months passed, Rohan showed different. He was achieving more. His confidence grew and he no longer needed external validation. When the result of final exam announced, Rohan had topped the school. People were surprised how he did achieve so much. How did you do it? Rohan just smiled and said, Everyone, be silent and get everything. Years later, Rohan became a successful entrepreneur. He proved that real success comes not from talking but from acting. Sometimes silence is the more powerful tool. Speak less, work more, and let your success make the noise. Okay? So, yes, this is the story. So, what you need to do, you need to just focus on your goal. You need to just taking action towards your goal. Okay, what is your goal? Your goal is to become fluent in English. Then why are you talking about everyone? Okay, now I'm going to learn this language. Can you help me? I'm going to learn this language. It's not going to help you, believe me. Start your work from yourself. Okay, do practice with yourself. Use different kind of application which will help you, which will help you to practice in English. If you talk to everyone like I'm going to learn this language, believe me, other person will demotivate you. Believe me, he will laugh at your English, he will laugh at your dreams. So you need to just uh, taking action towards learning this language, not always talking about your goals to everyone. Okay, so yes, this is the story and this is the final lesson of this story. Be silent and get everything. Okay, so yes, I hope you like my video. I hope you like my story. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my story. Okay, because I will now I will meet you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, just here.